Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. We have an awesome video for you guys today about a new way to earn money with Uber. Uber has launched a new platform for you to start earning more income. So we're gonna get started with that today. Please click the thumbs up button. Before I get started, I wanted to tell you all about our sponsor, Current. Current is an awesome app that allows you to get paid up to 2 days faster with direct deposit. So if you are an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker, you can get paid up to 2 days faster. You don't have to pay any cash out fees. You can go overdraft up to 200 bucks, meaning negative, and they don't charge you. There's no credit checks. What else? Yeah, your money is FDIC insured, and they earn up to 15 points back on swipes, and you earn 4% APY. So I use Current, you can too. Check it out down below. And they have fee-free ATMs, teen banking as well for your kids, and cashback. No hidden fees also. So check out Current down below, and now let's get started. So Uber has launched this grocery service, and if you're an Uber driver or if you're not an Uber driver, you can become a shopper, a grocery shopper, and start making money. Start making, according to Uber, tons of money. And the best part about this is it's different from Instacart. Honestly, in my opinion, better than Shipt or Instacart or doing Doordash. Get this, learn more about earnings. Yeah, here we go. Your earnings explained. Connect to the app when you want to and start earning from day one. More shopping and less driving. Unlike other activities that require a car, so you don't even need a car. You'll spend most of your time shopping on your feet, allowing you to save on car expenses and gas. And you can even get in exercise because walking around a grocery store, you're gonna burn a lot of calories, so you'll save on gym membership. Yeah, I'm kind of kidding, but not really. I used to work at Nike and I would walk several miles per day. So get a nice pair of running shoes, go to your local Nike outlet store, right? Don't spend full price on Nike shoes. It's an absolute rip-off. Go to the outlet store, spend 20 bucks on a nice pair of walking shoes, running shoes, and you're gonna be walking around the store doing shopping. So this is great because gas is so mother effing expensive right now, it's not gonna cut into your cost. And maintaining a car, I've always talked about, you know, why it's so difficult to make a profit on Uber is because you have to pay for gas expenses or car expenses. Here you don't have to. You spend more time shopping, so it's a great alternative. Variables that can earn you more. Make money based on the quantity and weight of products you shop and deliver, as well as the distance you travel to complete the order. So maybe you do use a car, sorry. I don't know why it says this one doesn't require a car, but maybe you do it on a bike. I don't know what they're implying here, but it says all earnings are deposited directly to your bank account on a weekly basis. But again, if you have Current, you get paid up to 2 days faster, just saying. You don't have to wait a week. It's corner shop available in my area, blah, blah, blah. Yep, check it out, corner shop pop. So that is for passengers. But listen to this, connect to the app on your schedule and start earning from day one. Signing up as a shopper is quick and easy. You only need a few basic documents. Let's read about, you need an ID, vehicle registration certificate, driver's license. So you do need a car. I don't know why up here it literally says that you don't require a car, at least it's implying that. I guess it's just saying you'll spend more time shopping rather than doing Uber driving. Okay, that makes sense. You can accept tips. Customers are able to tip shoppers through the app before placing an order. And up to 6 hours after the order is delivered. Shoppers receive 100% of the tips. Looks good. Whether referral rewards, you can view details about the shopper referral program in the referrals tab at the shopper center. You will see a link to invite your friends or family. What else? Where and when should I connect to the app? Right now. See frequently asked questions. Yeah, sign up today and start earning in less than 24 hours. That's pretty awesome. So anyways, let's see. Oh, they are available. Oh, they're available in Los Angeles, San Diego too, DC. If you live in any of these areas, you can do it. Otherwise, guys, thanks for watching today's video. Again, thanks to our sponsor, Current. Sign up with our code down below. You get a free cool debit card. Looks really awesome. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Bye now.